Okay, so overall main key point is Friday extreme movement, extreme volume, extreme volatility. Monday go reverse to the guy who started it. Okay, that's one. Number two is even USD actually is a sellers market, which is still a short here. Like this guy, this is actually the last guy who started here, so he's still within his level. Then there's this strong trap area that fails. So actually is a bounce. If you want better, is a bounce. So when you reach this level, you just get the fuck out. Don't try to go long. That's the mistake I try to do. Is go long. I get out here is correct, but then next is this level here. This level say I will say is okay. First of all, it's a downtrend. Here is a V formation. V formation test fail. Well, I think I entered here lah. But when it came back up here, this level I just exited. And what the hell is a 5 peak here then? That's the thing that I don't understand also. Like here, 5 peak, 8 peak. Right here is 8 peak. Then here is like only no, mine is a bit lower. Yeah, 1 pips. Yeah, over there. Okay. So actually it's like 2 to 1. 5 so here is quite perfect. Yeah, I won't try to break this because of this amount of strong. Yeah. So you just cut this level or this level go up to this level. Like just try to bounce these two levels. Then until it resolve up, then you go long. Okay, understand. Very nice. So I actually went long like after at this level. I actually got a 2R. I actually aim quite high, but this is a mistake. Mistake is because you're going against trend, so you don't bother going too high. Oh, but actually left here lah. 17 about 2R lah. So should be quite decent amount. But it's against a trend, so not that good. Okay.